Hey guys, how you doing? This is Sean at MarineMax Pompano. Do a quick video walkthrough of my previously traded in 2018 Galeon 45 HTS. It's got very low hours, right around 300. Kind of walking through here to the cockpit. Very versatile boat. It has more of that indoor-outdoor feel to it. Nice electric shade that comes across. Walking in, this area is AC'd. It has the capability to click a button, the actual window drops down, so you have a nice seamless walkthrough. Everybody's in communication. Nice little U-shaped seating. The boat is IPS, so very easy for docking. Beautifully a custom dash. The owner did switch out the Raymarine electronics for all Garmin, including the radar and autopilot. It's a galley down. Great entertaining seating here as well. Moving forward to the VIP, they did a custom foam mattress, so all you need to do is get the bedding sheets, but very comfortable. Here's your guest day head. You take a look at all the trim and the craftsmanship that Galeon definitely gives second to none. Come back to the master stateroom. Guest head here. It is a full B master as well. So you got plenty of natural lighting down here. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Sean Doyle with MarineMax Pompano. Cells 954-579-8956.